Since mahirap mag-subtitle ng ganito, nag-voice over na lang ako. So for today, ang uunahin muna natin is yung rules para mas madali siyang i-explain later kapag ginagawa na natin yung alphabet. So itong dash, ginagamit ko siya before. Tapos nung nalaman kong mas appropriate daw pala yung tuldok, so ginamit ko na yung tuldok since then hanggang ngayon. Then ito naman O and U is the same lang. Same lang din sila. Same sa I and E, O and U. Mga same lang sila kasi same lang naman yung tunog nila. So, itong I and E, ginagamit siya, nilalagay siya sa itaas ng letter. Pag O naman or U, kunyari yung NE naging NO or NU, ilalagay mo naman yung period sa baba nung letter. Ganun yung rules kapag sa letters. Ganito naman yung rules naman kapag sa comma is single line, kapag period naman is double line. May rules din para matanggal yung letter A, para kunyari yung NA, N na lang, lalagyan mo ng plus sa ibaba para maging single N na lang siya, para maging single letter na lang yung word. Again, ilalagay mo lang yung plus sa baba. So, ganito yung example para mas madali nyong maintindihan kung ano yung sinasabi kong tuldok sa baba, ayan sa itaas. So, yung BA, ganito siya i-write in Baybayin. So, yung B and BE and BI, same lang sila. So, sinasabi ko, diba, ilalagay yung tuldok sa taas pag E or I yung kasunod na letter. Pag O naman or U, sa ibaba naman siya ng letter. Kapag tatanggalin naman natin yung A para maging single letter na siya, ilalagay lang natin yung plus sa ibaba nung baybayin letter. So, meron ka ng single letter na letter B. So, mag-move on na tayo sa pagsulat ng baybayin letters. Una, isusulat ko na muna yung mga vowels, yung English vowels or ang patinig sa wikang Filipino. Kasi iba kasi yung baybayin letters nila compare sa mga consonant or katinig ng wikang Filipino. So, sa A, ganito siya isulat, yung letter A. Iba rin naman sa letter E and I. And iba rin of course sa O and U. Medyo madali nga lang yung O and U, pero minsan parang hindi appropriate na letter na number 3 yung ilalagay mo kapag O or yung single letter O or U. Ito naman yung mga consonant or katinig sa wikang Filipino. Tandaan nyo lang guys na yung vowels lang yung single letters. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, maraming salitang Ingles na mahirap ibaybay sa wikang Filipino o sa salitang Filipino kasi sobrang lalim ng Tagalog, sobrang lalim ng wikang Filipino na kailangan mo munang isalin yung English word na talagang bagay or talagang appropriate na ibaybay sa wikang Filipino para maayos siyang ibaybay gamit ang baybayin. So, sundan nyo lang yung sinusulat ko na tamang baybayin letters, or kung ayaw nyo naman siyang balik-balikan, screenshot nyo lang para dun nyo lang sa screenshot nyo titingnan kung tama ba yung gawa nyo. Hindi ko alam kung tama bang sabihin kong madali lang mag-aral ng baybayin or nasasabi ko lang to dahil marunong na ako. Pero sa totoo lang, 1 taon ko rin siyang inaral, 1 week. English word na bawal ang English words na ibaybay gamit ang baybayin. Kailangan nyo muna siyang isalin sa wikang Filipino bago nyo siya ibaybay gamit ang baybayin. Kasi respeto, charot, respeto sa ating kultura, kanon. So, if you are going to learn how to write baybayin, so
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will that you said. I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna